Sony ZV-E10 is a mirrorless APS-C camera built especially for vloggers and content creators, combining strong imaging chops with flexible lens options and video-friendly features. It uses a 24.2 MP exmor CMOS sensor, effective 24.2 MP, about 6000 by 4000, paired with Sony's Bions X processor. Features and usability. Lens mount and lens flexibility. It has a Sony E-mount, meaning you can attach a wide range of lenses, primes, zooms, fast, wide, etc. The kit often includes the 16 to 50 mm f/3.5-5.6 OSS power zoom lens. Autofocus, fast, reliable hybrid AF, 425 point, with face and eye detection/tracking, so moving subjects are well locked. Screen/handling, fully articulating/side flip LCD touchscreen to help with selfie mode/vlogging. Microphone and audio, built-in directional 3-capsule mic with windscreen, plus external mic/headphone ports. Useful for clear voice and vlogging audio without needing always an external mic exposure. ISO and shooting speed. Native ISO is about 100 to 32,000, expandable, with shutter speeds from January 4000 to 30 seconds in stills, in continuous mode, up to 11 FPS. 4K video, it can record 4K, UHD, up to 30 frames per second. In 24 frames per second mode there is no crop, in 30 frames per second there's a modest crop, 1.23 times. Oversampling from 6K sensor readout helps with detail and reduces aliasing. Slow motion and high frame rates, Full HD, 1080p, up to 120 frames per second for slow motion effects, also SNQ, slow and quick, mode for creative speed effects. Color profiles and dynamic range. It supports picture profiles inherited from Sony's line, including S-Log2, S-Log3, HLG, for color grading flexibility. Good dynamic range especially in well-lit scenes, better than many smartphones. Stabilization. There is no in-body image stabilization, IBIS. Stabilization comes via optical in lenses that have OSS, and digital/electronic stabilization, active mode, for video, which works but introduces crop and has limits. Very good autofocus tracking in video, keeping faces/eyes sharp is strong. High resolution, oversampled 4K gives detailed image in good lighting. Picture profiles for grading, plus well-designed vlogging features, flip screen, mic, ports, etc. make it very creator-friendly. Rolling shutter is noticeable in 4K when moving fast or doing quick pans. This causes distortion in some situations. The Sony ZV-E10 is a strong choice if you want a relatively compact interchangeable lens camera that gives you good image quality, flexible lens options, great autofocus, and solid 4K video, especially for vlogging, content creation, YouTube, etc. Its strengths are especially visible in daylight or well-lit setups, when paired with lenses that let in more light. If your work involves low light, action, or fast motion, or you need very strong stabilization or ultra-wide fields, you'll need to plan your lens and stabilization accessories carefully to mitigate the camera's limitations.